Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you a unique money-making strategy that will help you earn free PayPal money per day. It is a free website and a perfect side hustle for starters who are planning to earn money online. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure not to miss any important parts of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Now, in today's video, I'll show you how to set this up properly in a very simple step-by-step manner. So bear with me. Go to upleap.com to get started. This website, as mentioned right above, allows you to buy Instagram followers and quickly grow your account. To be clear, we will not be employing the service on this platform. However, it is a part of our current strategy. As a result, I'd like you to look for the Learn section, which includes the button Affiliates, near the bottom of the website. After clicking, you'll be taken to this page where you can learn more about the Upleap affiliate program. Do you get what I'm getting at? As you can see, the current statement reads, help others expand their Instagram audience faster while earning commissions. Today's strategy will revolve around the promotion of Upleap's services, in which you persuade others to purchase their services in your name in order to earn commissions. If we stick to these guidelines, we'll be able to generate a lot of money. As you can see, the first step, as I previously stated, is to join a free affiliate program. This technique is very inexpensive. The second step is to establish a one-of-a-kind URL that you may share with others. The next step is to distribute your URL to as many people as possible. Later in this video, I'll show you a way and provide a link to the fourth and last stage, which is to get paid using this plan. Essentially, you'll profit handsomely on every purchase made by your associate and you'll receive a significant portion of the sale. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. As you can see from the bundles listed above, they have a lot to offer, and because the service is competitively priced, selling it to people who want it won't be difficult. I mean, this strategy's earning potential is practically limitless. Upleap will offer you a large percentage compensation for each customer who purchases a monthly subscription, which will be paid monthly. Consider the scenario. You will be paid for months, if not years, for only a few hours of work. There's a lot of money to be made here, believe me. It's hard to comprehend that working for a few hours may pay for a year's worth of expenses. You can keep track of all of your subscriptions and revenue on your personal Upleap dashboard. And if the person you referred purchases packages, Upleap will pay you directly. When you get back to the platform, go to Affiliates and sign up as an affiliate. When you click this link, you'll be sent to a website where you may sign up. Enter your information and voila! You're a tangential affiliate, which means you're not a full-fledged affiliate. Now that you have your account and unique link, use the platform I'm about to show you to share it with others, assuming you already have your script for selling or advertising Upleap services, as well as your affiliate link. We'll then put it on Quora.com. But if you don't have a script for your spiel, all you have to do is Google selling spiels or selling scripts, and you'll discover a variety of examples on how to sell anything you want. Quora, on the other hand, is essentially a question forum where anyone may ask questions. Many people have a proclivity for asking a lot of questions, and I do mean a lot of questions. It's a great way to market your personalized link because Quora has it. Someone might come here to learn how to obtain more Instagram followers, for example. Quora will show you all of the related questions and forums that are relative to your query when you click on the search button. Our customized link is in the high demand due to the large number of people who are interested in this topic. If someone purchases a package, you will receive enormous commissions that can last months or years. Individuals who are serious about expanding their Instagram following for the right price, and again, if someone sells a package, you will receive large commissions that can last months or years. This could be a source of passive income to help you sustain your lifestyle and basic requirements. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Let's move on to a single article about how to get more Instagram followers. You'll notice that the question has answers. This is where we'll make our move. Simply click on these questions and post the script that you wrote, essentially stating that they need the service as well as a custom link to grow their Instagram account. And that by clicking on that link, they'll be guaranteed growth on their specific channels. Your response to their inquiries will be more important than the others because you're providing them with value and a clear solution to their problem of getting Instagram followers. Simply paste your script along with your affiliate link into each inquiry to apply this method. Now that you've gotten everything out of the way, all you have to do is join Quora. Simply click here to do so. You can log in using your Google or Facebook account, or you can register using just your email address and then fill in the required information. All you have to do now is copy and paste your pitch into every Instagram follower building question after you've registered an account. This will create a huge passive income stream because there are lots of people eager in increasing their Instagram followers. This is in general a no-brainer for any route. To put it in another way, you'll become an uplead agent. Make a short script that explains why they need this service to expand their Instagram account. Sign up for Quora, then copy and paste the script into any forum post on growing your Instagram following. And voila! Passive income is income that is generated without any effort on the part of the earner. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to help you earn free PayPal money per day. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.